Welcome back, everybody. So I'm a full stack developer and I love what I do. It took me a while to learn all the skills I needed to learn to be one, and I'm still learning quite a bit. I really enjoy being able to make full applications front to back all the way through, and seeing how the different parts work together to make a fully functional app. As you may know, I've already posted 2 videos on front-end and back-end development. So here is my final entry into the series. Let me introduce to you 9 ways full stack development is just better. Number 1, high demand. Okay, so for this video, I've decided that I'm going to take all the perks that are found in either the backend or the front-end video. I know it's really repetitive, but perks are perks, right? I'll run through these ones quick. Like most programming jobs, full stack also pays very well, although usually more than backend and front-end guys. This is because of how much they actually do. Seriously, full stack guys are chads. They'll write up amazing UI, then set you up the most organized and sensible databases while hooking everything up with APIs that seamlessly communicate between the UI and the database. It's really cool to see work, and it's satisfying to do on my end. Number 2, job security. Okay, so like with the backend guys, we full stack gents have a special set of skills, so we're more likely to stay on a job than most other fields in general. It doesn't take a lot to see why either. We're doing UIs, we're putting together the APIs, we're handling all the messy crud. Given that we often handle all the systems of the app, we're more secure in our work. Number 3, versatility. Maybe you front-end guys need to be a bit more flexible. No, but seriously, full stack guys are very versatile given our skill sets in both front-end and back-end operations. You could tell us to make a front-end function that displays certain data on the customer screen. Then you can tell us to make a back-end function that crunches all those numbers. And for good measure, you can tell us to update the database with all this new customer data, and we can do it. This is one of my favorite things about being a full-stack developer when it comes to making my own apps. I don't have to wait around for another dev to make a system for me. I can make the full app, front to back. Higher earning potential. You earn more as a full stack step than the other 2 types of devs. I mean, there's not really much I can add here. I mean, you make more money, you do more, kind of an easy thing. Independence. This is pretty much what I said in number 3, but I'll emphasize. Imagine you're at a workplace, right? Your boss comes up to you and says, I need you to make me an app that is pretty much Facebook but for cats. Get going. You might be a little bit overwhelmed at first, but you start working on the app, and then something interesting happens. Your boss doesn't bother you anymore for any reason. That is what independence is. You have the ability to work on entire projects front to back without needing anyone else's help or permission. You just make the app, barring you're not at a company that micromanages you and puts keyloggers and screen watchers that detect whenever you move in your chair in the slightest. 6, remote work opportunities. Okay, I'm not going to take too long with this one. You can work remote. You can work from your bedroom, the beach, coffee shop, your mom's basement, etc. It's really not that deep, so I'm not going to go super deep into it. Number 7, creative freedom. When you're a full stack developer, you're given a lot of free reign when it comes to design and programming. Full stack devs are often trusted to make full apps front to back, therefore employers will often just let you make the app, then let you know what changes they need later. This can be annoying if you worked on thousands of CSS files just for your boss to tell you they want that nav bar moved from one side of the screen to the other. Collaboration. Again, I already went over this in the back end, so I'll keep this brief. Even when you yourself are working on the full system, you will still have to work with other people to get the project done to the liking of your customers or bosses. You may even have to work with front-end or back-end guys who are experts in the field they are working on, even if they can't make the whole system like you can. 9, diverse problem solving. Coders problem solve. That's what we're here for. That's why God put us on this green earth. All day, every day, we encounter unsolvable bugs only to find old Stack Overflow posts from years ago on the same issue that ends up being our saving grace. The difference between full stack guys is that our issues are varied. You could be solving a CSS issue at one point, then trying to figure out a JavaScript bug, then moving on to trying to solve a 504 error on your server. We get all the issues and all of the bugs. It can be overwhelming sometimes, but it also means we have full control over the process. So what do you think? Do you disagree with any of these? Are there any that I missed? Leave them in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, and keep coding and stay sane.